1. 1967 Chevy C20 6500 Ramona, California. A robust vintage pickup truck featuring a 350 engine with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and manifold. It has a manual 3-speed floor transmission and electronic ignition. With only 68,000 miles, this truck runs great and offers a clean title. Its straightforward mechanics make it a reliable workhorse for any enthusiast. Two, 1989 Ford F-250, $3,850, Bellingham, Washington. This classic F-250 is equipped with a gas-powered engine and automatic transmission. With 107,534 miles, odometer rolled over, it has been a solid truck for its owner. Known issues include window malfunctions, rust in the truck bed, and no spare tire. Despite these, it's a great value for someone seeking a project truck. 1978 Jeep J20 4x4, 5,800 Washington. A rugged off-road pickup featuring a 360 CID engine paired with a 4-speed Warner T8 transmission. Boasting 78,000 original miles, it's in good condition with all functional systems, including heater, defroster, and wipers. This dry, leak-free truck is ready for daily driving or work. 1987 Ford Bronco 5.4x4 3000 Mojave Valley, Arizona. A compact yet powerful SUV equipped with a 302 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The 4x system adds to its versatility. With 184,116 miles, this clean title Bronco is perfect for restoration or as a rugged off-roader. 5. 1982 Toyota 4x4 pickup, 6,000, Napa County, California. This straight axle pickup features a low-mile 22R engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes with a clean title and has recently added a catalytic converter, muffler, and new pipes. While it requires some work, fluid replacements, and tires, it's a solid project vehicle. 6. 1959 Ford F-100, 9,995, Laguna Niguel, California. A short bed style side truck powered by a strong straight six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. With new interior carpeting, a clean windshield, and functional wheels, it's a running, driving classic that showcases vintage patina. Minor rust repairs would elevate its appeal. Seven, 1989 Chevy K1500 Silverado, $900, Blaine, Washington. An affordable work truck with an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. This 4x truck features numerous recent upgrades, including new brake components, a drive shaft U-joint, and a starter. While it shows wear and tear, it's a practical choice for property or utility tasks. 8, 1976 Chevy Pickup, $6,500, Boise, Idaho. This quarter-ton truck features a V8 350 engine with dual exhaust and glass packs. With an automatic transmission and a clean title, it's a reliable, family-owned truck in excellent running condition. It's perfect for vintage enthusiasts looking for a solid daily driver. Nine, 1972 Dodge Flare-Side Power Wagon, $9,995, Stevensville, Montana. A rare crew cab 4x4 with Dana 44 axles and a 360 long block engine. This truck features a clean interior with minor sun damage to the dashboard. The current owner has maintained the vehicle well, making it a desirable option for restoration or resale. Ten, 1979 Chevy Custom Deluxe, $4,500. This C10 pickup features a straight six engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Although the odometer is broken, this long bed truck runs well and is suitable for restoration or work purposes. 11, 1979 Ford Ranchero 500, 5000, Phoenix, Arizona. This Ranchero is in excellent running condition with a 5.7-liter V8 engine. Recent updates include new catalytic converters, a rebuilt transmission, and a Flowmaster exhaust. With its solid mechanics, it's a great candidate for restoration or daily use. Twelve, 1978 Dodge D150, $7,500, Klamath Falls, Oregon. A well-maintained short bed truck powered by a rebuilt 318 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. It retains its original paint and features reupholstered bucket seats. This solid, numbers-matching truck is a collectible in excellent mechanical condition. 2013 1987 GMC 1500, $1,795, Bisbee, Arizona. This black-on-black GMC square body is a rust-free Arizona truck with a V6 engine and automatic transmission. Although it doesn't run, it comes with a clean title and offers great potential as a restoration project.